Right, so I thought it might be good if we added a little bit more detail. Just move that down a bit. Just so you know how to start adding a little bit of detail. So we've got Caleb's drawing. One thing we haven't put in is this deck. And he hasn't put too many windows in, but he has got a door here and a window here. He still hasn't finished this, so we can use this to at least put this in. So what we need to do is figure out how long his deck is. Remember, we're using the 1 to 50 scale here. So that's 5 meters by about 1.8 meters there. Okay, so we're going to come in here, measure it, remember to flip it round, so we've got the 1 to 100, and we're just going to mark that there. We're going to mark our 1.5 here, or 1.8 wasn't it, here. If I was Caleb, I'd probably make my deck just slightly wider, but let's put that in at the moment. Remember, light lines at first, so you're figuring out where things are, and then another one here, and then we can darken them up when we've got them where we're sure we want them. So remember, at this stage it's okay to change measurements. So looking at it from above now, you might think, oh, actually I could do with a bigger deck. Okay, so I'm going to give myself a bigger deck on Caleb's one, and I'll bring it out here. Okay, so then he can have a bit more indoor-outdoor flow. He could possibly put a door here that goes out from his bedroom. So I think this is one of his bedrooms here and his lounge here. Okay, so you could, even if you're being really clever, work out the width of your timber and put those lines in. I'm not going to do that at the moment. So that's his deck. Remember, if it's up here, it's going to be projected down here. So then you're going to put your projection lines down here. That's going to go to there. And the deck, it's probably going to be about the same height as that anyway, so probably don't need to show much there apart from that. Okay, so we're going to probably darken that line up so we know it's a definite feature, whereas this is a projection line. Okay, so we're now going to put in this window. So again, we're going to measure using our 1 to 50 scale. So he's got that at 1.5, and the window is 1.2 wide. So we're going to come up here. We're measuring our, flipping it round to 1 to 100 scale. Sorry guys, I'm bumping it. And it's going to be 1.5, and then it goes to 1.2 is where the window actually is. And remember, if you can't see, because on this one we're not doing the floor plan, so you won't actually see what the windows look like. Remember, we're going to add this sort of dotted line for where the roof comes out to. Okay. And you do it a lot neater than that. I'm making a bit of a botch of that one and try and have it neat and even. So we're going to project down where this window is now. Okay, so that's going to come right down to here. Remember, light construction lines, okay, and because I like them, I quite like quite large windows that are almost floor to ceiling, so I'm going to pretend that that's what Caleb's given me. So that's going to be where the window's going to go. Okay, and remember, windows just are never just one line. We're going to put some detail in that too. What did we put it here? So we're just going to kind of, if you were working it out exactly, you'd be measuring this exactly, and it is about, it's almost 1, 2, 3, so it's about 7 And I'm going to put a couple of little lines in there, because that's going to be like a window with 3 panes of glass, and then we do some surrounds around that. Okay. And if you're worried about not getting it the same, there's nothing wrong with flipping. I'll butt that up. It's a wee bit hard with this, but just try and get those lines even as you can. Okay, because that's what really starts to add the detail and make it look realistic. Now I've got these 3 about even, but that one's a wee bit big. Okay, but you get the idea. So that's how you start to add a little bit of detail, and then we'd be adding our double doors up here. I'd probably put bifolds in and make it quite big. Caleb's just got a little door that opens inwards here, which isn't the best idea. It's probably better to have bifolds that open outwards, because he could then have a huge open area. So it's fine to change things from here to here, because that's what we're looking for, is the development of your project as you're drawing it. Okay, so you just continue to add all those details. You'd add your doors, your windows, and then you get a very flash looking orthographic projection. Give yourself a pat on the back. Well done.